Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, anyone mildly interested in global issues, and boy, do we have issues. This is a one semester science class. It'll earn students one half of a science credit for passing. It's a course that's been offered here at Shawnee Mission West for quite some time. Although it used to go under the name Science and Survival, it has been changed to Global Issues. Some of the topics that we cover include global population growth, food production, genetic engineering, cloning, infectious diseases, and energy resources. Some of these are really big, hot topics in the world of science today, and they also are topics that are continually changing. So our class is never really the same from semester to semester, because as new information comes out, we use articles and information from the internet as our resources to drive the information for the class. We do, in this class, love to do lots of classroom discussions, lots of classroom debate. We do watch movies from time to time, create projects, and read articles. As I mentioned, the information is constantly changing. We love to take a look at the ways that Hollywood depicts some of these ideas and help students to drive their own opinions of factual information. So our role is oftentimes to provide facts and to give students multiple sides to an issue and allow them to begin to kind of formulate their own opinions and thoughts about these topics. If you got any questions about global issues, the topics at all, or how we've run the class in the past, please feel free to contact me. Here is my name and my email address. Have a wonderful day.